Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Christian, back here with another video just for all of you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a lot more vlogging for you guys, a lot more personable stuff. So we're out here actually working on the brand new garage that I'm gonna be having for my cars and for my channel and my new home. I'm gonna be going ahead and doing a full tour for you guys very shortly. But we're out here putting up some shelves. We're out here getting a lot of stuff. Got the paint over there in the corner. We're cleaning everything out, getting all this stuff nice and cleaned out. So that way we can go ahead and just start to kind of customize this area. It's gonna be my whole workstation, where we're gonna do a whole bunch of car stuff in here. And man, this is just, finally, man, it's the first house. I'm so excited. I'm out here doing a whole bunch of work, and I've even been filming. I gotta get more used to this vlogging type of thing. Anyway, we're going ahead cleaning this out. A bunch of spider webs, bunch of just dirt and just stuff all just everywhere. We're making sure we clean this. I do want to get some nice tiles, some nice race style tile for the garage, but we went ahead, we sprayed everything down. We're cleaning everything out. This is going to be the new garage, guys. This is going to be the new garage, new spot where I got all my different cars. So we got some of the stuff I'm putting up. You guys should have definitely seen this when I first got in here. I've been working at this for a while now. But anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. Also, try to hit the subscribe button. And man, we're getting this spot clean so we can get the new garage doors. So then we can really go ahead and start getting this home together. Anyway, let's have a good one, guys. Let's get back to the video. Let's get it. Peace. All right, guys. So got some more information as far as the garage. It's going to really help out. The first thing is I'm definitely going to need to get insulation done for the garage, so that way we can insulate the entire garage. Then we're going to do sheetrock, so that way we can go ahead and clean it up. Then we're going to need to get it textured, so make sure it's nice and fits good, nice and well. And then the last thing is going to be painted. So I'm definitely going to be checking out as far as how I want to get it painted and kind of the coloring. But overall, I think it's gonna be nice. I actually might go with a nice black. We'll see. Got some surprises for the garage door that I'm gonna be putting up for the home. Give you guys a little bit of a sneak preview as far as the home. Yeah, so we need to get insulated, sheetrock, textured, and painted. Gotta go ahead and move the washer and dryer, the old one over there. Gotta go and move some of these plates and some of these. Actually, I might want to use some of this. This is what was used in the bathroom. Definitely might want to go ahead and use that as well for some part of the house. But definitely got to move that stuff over there, so that way we can go ahead and get the garage done then. Whew, all right. A few hours later, we got everything cleaned out. We needed to clean out the areas around the garage doors, so that way we can go ahead and put our brand new garage doors in. I went and also cleaned up the front of the garage as well. Even wiped it down a little bit. So the new garage doors are coming in. Put all of this stuff. So it was pretty heavy. All in this corner over here. But like I said, we're gonna need to definitely get insulation, get the drywall, and then fix it up, paint it, and just all that type of stuff. But man, I'm so excited, guys. Like, I finally have a house. Like, man, I have my own home, man. Like, not an apartment, not a loft. I got my own house. Like, how crazy is that? Man, we've come a long way. Like I said, 4 years of YouTube, guys. I started YouTube 4 years ago. I know there's a bunch of other people that have been doing this a lot longer. So I'm still kind of learning, trying to learn exactly what to do to make better content for all of you guys, how to be fun, how to make it more personable. I want you guys to understand who I am, and just be a lot more of open to allowing you guys into my life. And well, this is my life, man. Out here cleaning, getting this garage together. But let's get back to the video. This is a nice little workspace. Oh yeah, that does look really nice.
It looks like the window's got a little bit of a tint to it.
Yeah, I told him to put the tint there. Okay, perfect. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
thanks. That was great. All right, y'all, we got the garage doors. They are now up. Oh, this looks so good. I'm so excited to show you guys how this definitely looks down. But we got the garage, like I said, everything's all cleaned out. Sometime we're definitely gonna do a tile for the ground and the carpet. But yes, this is going to be the new garage for the cars, for the Vet, for the channel. And I'm just so excited to get this garage built out and fully done. It's a really big garage, lots of room, lots of workspace we're gonna be able to do. And let's put the garage down so you guys can see. Ooh, we even got the tinted windows. Tinted windows, y'all. So we can be out here in the garage. We can see everything that's going on. Oh man, these doors are gangster. Oh. Yo, these doors are so sick. Oh, so sick, y'all. So sick. Damn, check out the home though. We're getting the home cleaned up. We getting it cleaned up, dog. Damn. Beast. Woo. This is the garage, guys. The new door. I cleaned up the front a little bit, wiped it down. This would be nice and clean. And man, it definitely looks so much better. I got the fencing done. Like I said, I'm gonna do a whole house walk around with you guys, show you guys everything that's been done so far. Just moved in, and man, look at this garage door. This is beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. We got the truck out here. Now we got the garage. Go ahead and put the ride in. See, the garage even matches the black truck, so I can match. So I gotta get the numbers for the home there. But man, just so thankful, guys. So thankful. Seriously, thank you guys for supporting this journey with me. Coming this long, man. I know I've said this so many times. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but seriously, thank you guys for all the minutes, the hours, the likes, the comments, just everything you guys have done to support the channel. An early kind of tour of the home. The new grounds, y'all. The new grounds. So we gotta get the garage stuff done, but man, it looks so beautiful. And like I said, you can be in here. Oh man, got the cars in here. We can be doing some work in here. We can see outside. We get some music played in here. We can get even a monitor up in here. We get a whole bunch of stuff in this garage. Shelves in here. We still gotta do a whole bunch of things up in here, but dang, I'm just so happy, y'all. So happy, man. Like, damn, this looks so good. Looks so good. But we just want to say thank you guys for all the support.